Well, we're 250 miles above the Earth. We've got to go take care of that problem. And we can't leave our food laying here to just float around everywhere. So what are we going to do? You simply attach it to yourself. You take it with you. Then when you're done solving that problem, you enjoy your meal. Hey, you know what we call that in space? With gravity gone, surface tension is going to become the dominant force. So I want you to notice how when two blobs of water come together, they merge into an even larger blob of water. Physics appears to behave differently in microgravity. And when it comes across an absorbent surface such as this towel over here, a wicking action takes over and it sucks it right into the towel just like a sponge. Alright, my body scan should be ready. Give me a second. My body will move up out of my arms and legs, causing my face to get puffy and my legs to go thin. The astronauts on the station, they've given it a highly scientific name. They call it chicken legs. Now all of your bones lose count.